Hello everyone, welcome to our live broadcast again. This is Dana. Last time, Sean and I have introduced our how-to-sell motorized tricycle tuktuk J3A, and we have received lots of inquiries from our customers, which prove that this type of products are really popular in the world. So today, I bring another model, Q5N, which is hot sell as well, and we exported this model to Africa, 50,000 every year. For today's live broadcast, it is also divided into 3 parts. For the first part, it is the component production and introduction, and for the second part is the product introduction. For the third part is the guest interview. So let's start with the first one. Our company is the Huaihai Holding Group, which established in 1976, has developed into international innovation manufacturer with small size, overseas commerce and trade, automobile manufacturing and financial services, and its industrial segments after 40 years continuous development. Our Huaihai and Zhongshen brand are well-known trademarks in the world. Our cumulative production and sales volume is over 20 million till now, which makes us to be the creator of a Guinness World Record. With manufacturing in Xuzhou, Tianjin, Wuxi, and Chongqing, 20 affiliated subsidiaries have been set up. Our products have been exported to more than 86 countries till now, and our products are an integral part of daily life of ordinary people throughout the world. So that's a brief introduction of our company. If you want to know more about our company, you can also check on our website, www.huaihaiglobal.com. Now let's start our second part, introduction for the product Q5N. Comparing with J3A, this model is cross-riding model. The size is smaller but sturdy as well, and it is classic tricycle structure, more simple and stunning. The front shield is integrated. Integral stamping forming is very strong and durable. You can come and take photos closer. As you know, these products are usually exported to South America, Africa, South area. The temperature is very high, and the sunlight is very strong in these areas. And our customers usually use it as a taxi to earn money, so they will drive it all the day. So our shield can protect the driver from sunlight, wind, and rain. You also can see the 2 Eagle-style headlights. These 2 lights make the whole vehicle more dynamic, right? Next, let's see the front suspension. We have 2 options for front suspension. One option is 43 straight tube structure, and another option is 43 rock arm structure. This one is double rock arm structure. It has better shock absorption. So if customer need better shock absorption, we recommend this one. And if customer need an economic model, so we recommend the straight tube model. That will be economic. So both these two options can meet different can meet the needs of different customers. So next, let's see the front wheel. The front wheel and the rear wheel are interchangeable with size 4 to 12 inches, and we also provide one spare tire for each unit, so driver can change it on road, so it's very convenient for driver. Okay, let's see the fuel tank. The capacity of the fuel tank is 16, so it can provide long driving range of more than 400 kilometers. And this is the fender. The material is ABS, total ABS. Its advantage is high temperature resistance, low temperature resistance, and impact resistance, heat resistance. This material are widely used during automobile and mini vehicle industry. This is the driver's seat. High-strength PE cushion, more soft and comfortable. The driver will not feel very tired even after long time driving. Okay. So next part is our core of the vehicle, the engine. You know the engine is called as the heart of the vehicle. We use our Zhongshen brand engine, 150 cc, 200 cc, water cooling and air cooling for optional engine configurations. Make sure the super performance, lower consumption, and durability. Zhongshen 150cc air-cooled engine provides huge driving power, and some parts are strengthened and designed for long service life. Increase the oil storage capacity to 1.5 liters to improve engine lubrication performance. Another important part of the engine is the air inflow filter. It's hidden behind the fender. You cannot see it, but I will introduce it briefly. Multiple high air inflow filter with paper filter elements can be easy to face dust conditions. This air filter have been developed from single-layer sponge to three-level filter. The sponge and filter can prevent the larger particles from entering the filter chamber to break the element. And the paper filter has a good lifting effect on fine dust. So the improvement of the air intake system plays an important role in prolonging the engine life. So next, let's see the meter stage. The meter is new designed. It can display the important and basic figures, including the speed, the oil, and the rotation of the engine. It also shows the total mileage here, you can see, and the subtotal mileage. So this one is also important for the taxi driver. With this, they can count the distance between one place to another place. According to this, they can charge the fares from their customers, so this is very important for them. And they also shows the light, and the shift gear. Now we will show you the combination switch handlebar. On the right handlebar, it will contact the headlight and the running light. When we press one time, it's the running light, and press 2 times, it is the headlight. And on the left handlebar, the combination switch, when press this, it shows the high beam light, and this will control the dipped light. And this is the switch for turning light. This is the left turning light, and this is the right turning light. And this is the sign of a home. And this button will control the fan, the cooling fan. And in the front, we also have a button to control the wiper. This wiper is boneless, so it is very strong and durable. It can ensure the driver to drive safely during the running days. Okay, that's all for the front part of the vehicle. Now let's go to the carriage, the rear part of the vehicle. This is the passenger cabin. It is widened. There are 2 rows of seats here. The rear row is made of PV. Is full foam sponge and a car seat cushion. It is not easy to deform and durable. And other products also use this type of seat. They can load about 3 units. And after improvement and innovation, we add the front row. Let's see the front row. The front row is outfolded with a simple structure. We can turn it down for sitting, and we also can turn it up to save large capacity for passengers. It makes passengers very comfortable. They can put their legs freely. Is it right? One row can sit about three passengers. If slimmer like me, it takes about 4 passengers, and so totally can load 6 passengers. That is why our customer likes our products, because they invest same money and can recover the cost within short time. So why don't they choose us? And next, under the seat, there is a special design. The space is large. We can put the spare tire here. You can see. So the driver can take it out if any wheel breaks. And you also can put other maintenance tool in it. Also, you can put other subjects or goods in it. Here, we also have one lock. So you can put your important or expensive things here, and do not worry, it will be stolen by others. It's very safe, right? So now we have enough space for passengers. I think you wonder that if we have packed a luggage, where to put them? Don't worry, let's see upside. The vehicle is equipped with luggage rack. It is easy to put luggage on this, so it can separate the luggage from people and give people more capacity and ensure the good driving comfort and experience. So for a car, for a taxi car, for a taxi tricycle, another important part is the rear suspension. Maybe you cannot see it. The difference with the traditional leaf spring, it has been developed from according to our customers' usage and feedback. Charlie arm structure with damping screen, shock absorption, providing good driving comfort and keep the passenger travel very comfortably. Next, the rear part is a rear axle. It is connected with a wheel, and its basic function is to increase the rotation transmitted by transmission shaft or transmission torque. Generally, it's composed of differential reducer assembly, axle shaft, and brake device, and left or right sleeve components. As I told you last time, we produce this rear axle ourselves. So we choose the top quality supply system for main reducer, and high temperature quenching process is used for high axle, and P5 bearing are used to ensure the best quality of our transmission system. And next, we also invite our very important guest, Julia, who is very professional in this market expanding. So he will share his experience and ideas about the market. Okay, welcome, Julian.
Hi, I'm Julian. I'm so honored to join the Donald's live broadcast.
Hi, Julian. Welcome to our Canton Fair. As we know, you are very experienced in the market of Q5N, right?
Yes.
So can you share some experience and ideas about the market?
Yeah, of course. Please ask.
Okay, let's start from the first one. The first question is, what is the main sales market for Q5N?
For the Q5N, the main market are Africa, South America, and Asia. In these developing countries, the transportation demands are huge, but there are some transportation means are not perfect, just like a motorcycle, taxi, and other type tricycle. There are some different disadvantages, and all of them can be replaced by our Q5N. And above market, also our important market, we also have the very good sales performance. And in some specific market, even we can take #1 market share. And we also have some agent opportunities. And if anyone has their interest, please contact us for more information.
So we have a large market for the Q5N, right?
Sure.
Okay, then we can expand our market largely in the future.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's see the second question. Because for different countries, they will have different regulation or requirements for the importers. So I want to ask that if if there any documents for the importers for importing our Q5N.
Yes, you're right. The different country has their different requirement, and the requirement including the technical regulation and government certificate. Just like in Ghana, it requires a CTN certificate, and in Nigeria, it requires a SONCAP certificate. But regarding the specific market, what document it requires and what certificate it requires, it's better to contact with us and tell us which country you are from. Definitely, we will give you the best answer based on our rich market experience and market knowledge. Okay.
Okay, thank you for your answer. So we can see that Julian is very experienced in this area. And if you have any questions about your country and the documents, you can contact with us. We will give our best reply to you. Okay, next questions. What do you think our product and what do you think the best advantage is?
Again, compare with the existing products, for sure, where our products Q5N has the very huge advantage. Compare with the two-wheeler taxi, our Q5N is safer, more comfortable, and can take more cargoes and more passengers. And compare with the other type, the tricycle, our Q5N can take more passenger and it can take 6 passenger maximum, and other tricycle only take 3 maximum. And our Q5N, the driving system is similar with the motorcycle, so it is easier to drive, easier to maintain, and the spare parts is easier to get from the public market. And for sure, it is cheaper than other type motorcycle. So our Q5N is the best cost-effective solution for developing countries' taxi selection. Okay.
Yes, after hear what you said, and I got the knowledge that our our product is very, very competitive in the market, not only in the price, not only but also in the after sale service and other aspects. So if you are interested in our products, that's a really, really good opportunity for you. So next one, what is the usage of the tricycle, and what type of people will use it?
Okay, the Q5N is widely used by a lot of purpose. It can be used by the taxi and of business, and it can be also used by the personal purpose by family. Regarding the people who will buy it, the mainly is by the taxi driver, and also can be bought by the taxi company who bought it to run as the taxi business. So our Q5N has a very big market demand, and the potential clients are very huge.
Okay, that's very good for us, and we know we have so big a market, and we believe our future will be bright.
Yeah.
So next, I am a new importer. So how should I do to start the business? Can you give us some suggestions about that?
Okay, that's a very good question. As what I said, this is a very big business and profitable business. A lot of person want to enter this business. To this new player, my suggestion is that firstly, you have to do the market research very well. You have to know where is your market and what is your market demand, and who is your market competitor. So you have to know your market situation very well. And secondly, you have to know the process of import. So that's just the basic knowledge. So to do this business, it's better you contact the expert who can support you. And we, as the China largest motor tricycle manufacturer, we have already exported to more than 86 countries. So we have the best products. We have the best support. So welcome to join us. Let's join together to explore the market together. So I believe both of us will have a good, bright future between us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Julian, and he have given us so much knowledge of the market. So, and he's really the good leader for you if you want to start your new business. So, if you have any problems or questions, you can contact us immediately. We will give us reply in time. So that is the end of the live broadcast. If you have more questions or requirements, you can contact our assistant, and you also can share your information, suggestions, or ideas about our company and products. You also can follow us on tuktuk, LinkedIn, Twitter, and our website. In the following days, we also have arranged some other live broadcasts for you. So if you want to know more about our products and company, please keep paying more attention on us. We will be here waiting for you, and we will provide more surprise for you. So see you next time. Bye bye.
See you. Bye.